For many years, movies have illustrated different versions of flying cars and motorcycles. All of us had just one question in mind: where can I get one? Our goal was to create a simple, affordable, and safe eVTOL which will be integrated into our normal daily life. A vehicle which can take off and land from any surface without a need of a runway. Well, I'm happy to say that the Doroni team has a solution. For over 4 years now, we have gathered the best minds around the globe to create a breakthrough in commuting. We can now confidently say that the technology to transport above ground is finally here. We envision each and every one of us commuting with their own Doroni, charged and parked in their garage. In the coming years, the eVTOL market in general and the Doroni project in particular will transform how we are going to commute.
At the proof of concept stage, we took a reasonable, systematic approach to lower some risks. We did this by building smaller systems and running through validations and simulations and lots of tests. It was really important we did this rapid design, build and test iterations, as it really allowed us to gradually learn and ultimately increase our confidence on what we were building.
Design of Doroni is based on requirements of maximum mobility and safety. We work on minimization of energy consumption, increasing time of flight, and make the Doroni safest and human-oriented as possible. At the beginning, we saw other companies just creating a mini version and try to scale it up. But we understood that the real challenge is in creating a full-scale prototype. So we decided right from the beginning we do just that in order to prove our concept. We've confirmed our concept with maximum safety and minimum risk while testing control systems, batteries and motors.